The most amazing Eggs Benedict ever. Like, seriously, you need to try this dish. First, let's start by toasting some bread and getting an avocado into a bowl and smashing it together with a little bit of lime juice, salt, and pepper. Next, using the most amazing pan ever, I'll link it below, but seriously, the green pan is so awesome when you're cooking stuff like this, and it's super healthy. You're not getting any toxins and stuff like that. But you're gonna put some olive oil, crack 2 eggs, add a little salt and pepper, get it boiling, and put the lid on. Once it's all cooked through, take that lid off, and we're gonna begin to plate. Let's put that toast down, and we're gonna add that smashed avocado right on top. Make sure you move it around, get it nice and even. Place the egg right on top of the avocado toast and drizzle some homemade hollandaise sauce. After that, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper, and let me tell you, the best Eggs Benedict ever. Let's get back to that homemade hollandaise sauce. 3 egg yolk, a squeeze of a lemon, teaspoon of Dijon, sprinkle of cayenne pepper, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Melt a little bit of butter, pour it in, blend it all up together, and drizzle on top with your cayenne pepper. And voila! I hope you enjoy.